Kamal Motwani and welcome to my YouTube channel Kamal Motwani's. Today we will learn how to write an introduction of IELTS Writing Task 2. So let's read the statement and then we will try to write the introduction of that topic. So here is the statement. Innovation is often driven by the pursuit of profit and economic growth. Means these both are the main driving forces behind innovation. However, some argue that it should prioritize addressing social and environmental issues. Discuss both the sides and give your opinion. So, this topic is all about innovation and what are the driving forces behind innovation, behind the pursuit of innovation. So, some think that these are the profit and economic growth. However, others believe that they should be the social and environmental issues. So, let's see how to write the introduction of that topic, because introduction is something that catches the attention of the examiner and he assigns you the band accordingly immediately. So let's see how to write the introduction of this topic. As already discussed, I have already told you in many of the videos that there are main three parts of the introduction. What are they? They are the journal statement, which gives the journalized view of the topic. Then paraphrasing, this is the paraphrased version of the topic. And then the thesis statement or your opinion. So, when we write the journal statement in the introduction, it is the first part of the introduction that we write. So, what is it? It is the journalized view of the topic. It narrates what the topic is all about. Now, this topic is all about innovation. So, let's see how I have written the journal statement in the starting of the introduction. Let's see. Now, see the writing in the green ink is the journal statement. Let's read it. In the contemporary era, innovation stands as a cornerstone of the progress and development. Now, see, this is the journal statement and it gives the journalized view of the topic. Means this is about the innovation. Then, the second part is the paraphrasing. Now, paraphrasing means the paraphrase version of the topic. Now in the second part of the introduction, what we have to do is we have to paraphrase this whole the statement. Now the writing in the blue ink is the paraphrase version of this statement. Let's read it. Innovation plays pivotal role in enhancing profit margins and fostering economic growth as advocated by a school of thought. Now see, here we have paraphrase some of the words like profit, the pursuit of profit by profit margins, the economic growth by fostering economic growth, and the words like some argue that we have paraphrased them as advocated by a school of thought. So they see how I have paraphrased the statement given by the examiner in my own words. Okay, let's read ahead. Others, however, now however here is an interrupter. Others, however, contend that, contend means argue, its focus should primarily be on tackling social and environmental issues. Now, see, the statement was also talking about the view of the other people, that those who think that the social and environmental issues should be prioritized uh, while the I mean the social and environmental issues should be prioritized, means they should be the main driving forces behind the innovation. So see, the writing in the blue ink narrates a paraphrase version of the statement and how beautifully I have paraphrased it. Okay, now the third portion of the introduction is thesis statement or your opinion. Now, This essay, the writing in the pink ink narrates the thesis statement or the opinion. Now see, this essay delineates the arguments to justify both the perspectives along with my opinion. Now see, as the statement asks, discuss both sides and give your opinion. So the thesis statement or my opinion is, this essay delineates the arguments to justify both the perspective, means both the sides along with my opinion. This is how the introduction is written along with its three of the main parts. Now we will see an other example in which we will write the introduction as well. So here is another example. Let's read the statement. Environmental damage is a problem in many countries. What are the causes of this damage? What should be done about this problem? Now see, this is the problem solution essay. Let's discuss how to write an introduction in such type of essays. As earlier discussed, there are three main parts of the essay. This is the first one is the journal statement, the second one is paraphrasing, and the third one is thesis statement or your opinion. Now this topic is all about environmental damage. Let's see how I have written the journal statement of this topic in the introduction. So the writing in the green ink is the journal statement. See, environmental degradation is increasingly prevalent in recent times. Now, I have replaced damage word with the degradation. See, environmental degradation is increasingly prevalent in recent times. This is the journal statement. Now, let's move on to the paraphrase version of this statement. The writing in the blue ink is the paraphrase version of the statement. Let's read it. A plethora of countries around the globe is trapped in this very quagmire. Now, very quagmire refers to the environmental degradation. This is how you paraphrase the statement. So, for this, you must have a vocabulary bank, you must have a lot of synonyms to make the beautiful paraphrase version of the statement. Now, the third part is the thesis statement or your opinion. The writing in the pink ink is the thesis statement or the opinion. Let's read it. This essay explores. Now, S is missing here. This essay explores the root causes of this phenomenon and proposes viable solutions to mitigate its impact. See, now the root causes of this phenomenon. What is the phenomenon? The phenomenon is environmental degradation and proposes viable solutions or doable solutions to mitigate its impact. Means how to counter this, how to counter the intensified effect of this environmental degradation. Now see, this is how the introduction is written of such topics. So I hope you have learned in today's video how to write the introduction in any of the IELTS writing task too. Do remember there are three main components of the introduction and you must encompass these components into your introduction. I'll see you in another video soon.